In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress website with Elementor and Brizy step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll install both page builders, complete their setup, and create pages using each tool so you can decide which one works best for your website. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional WordPress site built with modern drag-and-drop design. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website building guides. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar at the top right, type in Elementor. You'll see Elementor Website Builder appear in the results. Click Install Now, wait a few seconds for the installation to finish, and then click Activate. Once activated, Elementor will launch its setup wizard. Go ahead and complete the Elementor setup by following the on-screen instructions. You can choose your site name, upload a logo if you have one, select basic design preferences, and connect your account if prompted. This setup helps configure the builder for your website so everything runs smoothly. Now that Elementor is installed and ready, let's install Brizy so you can use both builders on your WordPress site. Again, go to Plugins, click Add New, and this time search for Brizy. When you see the Brizy page builder in the results, click Install Now and then Activate. After activation, Brizy will also guide you through a quick getting started process. Complete the Brizy setup by following the simple steps on screen. This ensures the editor is properly configured and ready to use. At this point, you now have both Elementor and Brizy installed on your WordPress website. Let's create a page using Elementor first. From your dashboard, go to Pages and click Add New. Give your page a name, for example, Home or About Us. Once you've added the title, click the big blue Edit with Elementor button at the top of the page. This will launch the Elementor visual editor. Inside Elementor, you'll see widgets on the left side and a live preview of your page on the right. To start building, drag a widget such as heading onto the page. Then you can add text, images, buttons, videos, spacers, and more by simply dragging and dropping elements into place. Click on any element to customize its content, style, spacing, colors, and typography. You can add sections, create columns, and fully control the layout without writing any code. Once you're happy with your design, click the green Publish button at the bottom left to make your page live. Now let's create a page using Brizy so you can see how it compares. Go back to Pages and click Add New again. Name this page something like Services or Contact. This time, instead of clicking Elementor, click the pink Edit with Brizy button. The Brizy visual builder will open. Brizy works a bit differently because it uses a block-based system. To start designing, click the plus icon to add a block. You can choose from pre-designed layouts such as hero sections, features, testimonials, galleries, and contact forms. Once you add a block, simply click on any text to edit it directly on the page. You can drag elements, suggest spacing, change fonts, colors, and backgrounds using the floating toolbar that appears. Brizy is very intuitive and focuses on inline editing, which many beginners find easier. After customizing your page the way you like, look at the bottom right corner and click the up arrow icon, then select Publish to make your page live. And just like that, you've created a WordPress website using both Elementor and Brizy. Now you can continue building out the rest of your site using either builder. You might prefer Elementor for its advanced controls and wide range of widgets, or Brizy for its clean interface and block-based workflow. The great thing is that you can experiment and see which one fits your style and project needs best. That's it. You've learned how to create a WordPress website with Elementor and Brizy step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.